Be not afraid of who you are. Let them not smell the fear in you. Once you are done being afraid, you will be nothing but brave. Once the beads of perspiration that are born of your fears, the trepidations of your pounding heart, and the incessant trembling of your clammy hands are stilled, there is hope on the horizon. To experience courage, we must experience fear. So being afraid is important to confront your fears. The world is a wild jungle, so full of savage predators. Be afraid, as it is the first step to being unafraid. Experience your fears at their fiercest and ugliest. Allow them to consume you until they can hurt you no more, until you become their master and enslave them in the kennels where they rightfully belong. Get hurt to overcome the pain. You will never be the same once you have endured the anguish of a bleeding heart and seen it heal by itself. As time flowed by like a torrent, you will never be the same once you have learned the fact that fear cannot be cheated, but it can be crushed into nothingness with a firm embrace. You create your strength and fears. So why be afraid of something that you create and you alone have the power to destroy? You live every moment and you die once. So make mistakes. If possible, make a few blunders too. Slip and fall only to rise again. A life without the characteristic flaws of human frailties and the struggle to overcome them is like a life lived on sedatives. Remember, blunders make you wise, slips make you strong, and mistakes make you cautious. So a bumpy ride is the only ride that teaches you more about you. Your real self is best revealed to you through suffering, loss, humiliation, and failure. The more painful your story, the greater are your possibilities to overcome them and become an example for many more. A life without challenges is a life of curse. Be happy for the troubles, the vicissitudes, the harsh climbs that you must ford to reach your summit. They re-engineer your spirit and gift you a life worth living and not worth dreaming.